Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the store from which you are shopping on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After you have been logged in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, in order to change the store from which you will be taking your orders, underneath the Kroger logo icon, you will see the Way to Shop option. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see all of the options that are available based on your location. Now, within the select from available locations, just click on your drop-down menu in order to change the postal code. You may also use your precise location by allowing your GPS data. After entering your postal code or using your GPS data, you can start your search. To search for the various different Kroger outlets, you can choose the one that you wish. And after you choose this, you will now be taken into the store options that this particular store has. And all that's left to do now is to pick up your items and fill up your cart in order to make your purchase. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your store within your Kroger account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.